Now let's have a look at the fish that the birds are trying to catch. So from the sea, we see that some of the waters are gathered right here. So inside this water,